असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। My dear brother Swami Atma Priyanand ji, Dr. Parmar, other dignitaries present here, and my very dear young friends. Just now we had the release of the beautiful CD on Rishta. I want to congratulate the team for bringing out this CD. I have yet to see it in detail, but that's a very good endeavor and that's a very good initiative that has been taken. I'm thankful to Dr. Parmar for organizing this youth convention at a very short notice. We had a lot of limitations, and we wanted to have Atma Priyanand here, and he had a very tight schedule. I am also going to South Africa on 3rd for 20 days. So within that, and then this is the time of examination when the students are busy with examinations. In spite of that, we wanted Swami Atma Priyanand to be here, and so that is how the best we have made it. We have made the best out of it under the limitations, and I am congratulating Dr. Parmar and his whole team for organizing this program at such a short notice in such a beautiful way. The topic that has been given is man-making character building education. Man-making means includes women-making, huh? When Swami Vivekananda says man-making, it is the person. It is only a phrase. That does not mean that women have not developed their character. Man and women both. So man-making is a phrase. I remember my meeting with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on 16th April 2013. I was at Rashtrapati Bhavan. I had gone there to give the CD that we had prepared out of the speech that he had delivered on 13 February 2002 while inaugurating one of the 81 school buildings constructed by us as a part of earthquake rehabilitation project. That time I was in Porbandar. So he came to Porbandar and he gave a very inspiring speech to 3,000 youths and inaugurated the school in Porbandar. So we had prepared a DVD out of that, and so I had gone to Rashtrapati. That time he was not Rashtrapati. Afterwards he became Rashtrapati. Anyway, I went to Rashtrapati Bhavan to give that CD, and we had some time. So I told Dr. Kalam, it's very good that you want India to be a developed country by 2020. His beautiful book, India 2020, A Vision of the New Millennium. I said, very nice. But I tell you, even if you bring the wealth of the whole World Bank and put into our 5-year plans, the poverty of the poor people will remain. GDP growth may be there, but poverty of the poor people will remain. He asked, why Swamiji, why? I said, for the simple reason, the former Prime Minister of India said, if you put 1 rupee to the 5-year plan, only 15 paisa comes to the grassroots level farmer. I am afraid even 5 paisa is coming or not now. And by the time the 5 paisa has come, the farmer has already committed suicide. There are so many schemes for the farmers. But by the time the implementation takes such time, so much of bribery, even today's report says that our bribery percentage has gone down, the corruption has gone down, but even now 79% people have to pay bribery to get the work done. This is today's report, newspaper. So, rampant corruption in the country today. And I told Dr. Kalam, I am not trying to tell you from the newspaper reports. I was in Ranchi, Jharkhand for 10 years, guiding our rural and tribal development project, Divyan Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So I had the occasion to, at that time Ranchi was in Bihar, Jharkhand was not yet there. So I used to go to Patna, the capital of Bihar, for some work, secretariat work. And I saw with my own eyes the principal secretary to the chief minister of Bihar, very big table, there was a glass, under the glass there was a chart. I saw with my own eyes. For transfer 5 lakh rupees, for new posting 10 lakh rupees, all the charts are there. You know, there is no time for bargaining. Just give the cash, here's the chart, and walk off. Within 24 hours, you get the transfer order. The most efficient government in the country, in the whole world. This I saw with my own eyes. I told Dr. Kalam, rampant corruption in the country today. What is the solution, Swamiji? What is the solution? I said only one solution. What we should have done on 15th August 1947, we should do it now. What is that? Swami Vivekananda said, education, education, education alone is the panacea of all our problems. But what type of education? Swami Vivekananda said, what we want is man-making education, character-building education. And I said, now what we are giving most of the institution is Rakshasa-making education. Demon-making education. You know Rakshasa demons? What is this Rakshasa demon? Not these demons you see in the TV, no, with 2 horns. These modern Rakshasas and Rakshasis, they are coming in modern days. What is this Rakshasa? Bhartrihari, he wrote a beautiful book, Niti Shatakam. There he says, there are 4 types of people in the society. What are the 4 types? Ete Satpurushaha Parartha Ghatka Swarthan Parityajaye Samanyastu Parartham Udyam Abrata Swartha Avirodhanaye Temi Manav Rakshasaha Parahitam Swartha Nignantiye Ye Nignanti Nirthakam Parahitam Teke Na Jani Mahe. 4 types of people in the society today. What are the 4 types? Satpurusha. First is Satpurusha, excellent human beings. They try to do good to others, sacrificing their own life. Second, Samanya Manushya, ordinary human beings. They first try to do good to themselves and then they try to do good to others. Third, Manav Rakshasa. They are looking like human beings, but demons in human form. What are these Manav Rakshasas? They are where they are available? They are available in your neighborhood. आपके पड़ोस में रहते हैं. ये कैसे है मानव राक्षस? व्हाट इज दिस मानव राक्षस? अपने छोटे से स्वार्थ के लिए दूसरा कितना भी नुकसान करने को तैयार हो जाए, ये मानव राक्षस है. एग्जाम्पल, प्लेंटी. एन एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर टेक्स अ ब्राइब of 10 lakh rupees from under the table and tells the builder, you can mix any amount of sand with the cement, but you give me 10 lakh rupees. And the builder, who has got the contract, government contract, he builds a beautiful dam with only sand and very little cement. Now there is a heavy rain, and before the inauguration, because the minister was busy, so the date could not be confirmed. Before the inauguration, dam is gone. Because it is all sand, no cement. Now this executive engineer, देश का कितना नुकसान हुआ? सैकड़ों लोग मर गए, करोड़ों रुपए का नुकसान हुआ देश का. बट इस एक्सिक्यूटिव इंजीनियर क्या बोलता है? कोई बात नहीं, मेरा तो 10 लाख में मकान बन गया, देश जाए भाड़ में. ये कौन है? मानव राक्षस. ये सभी फील्ड में है. आई हैव गिवन ओनली वन एग्जांपल. दीज मानव राक्षस आर प्लेंटी इन आवर कंट्री टुडे. और चौथे टाइप के भी हैं, पर भर्ती कहते हैं बहुत सिर खुजला है, नाम नहीं मिलता है. टेके न जानी में है. पहले का नाम सत्पुरुष, दूसरा सामान्य मनुष्य, तीसरा मानव राक्षस. और चौथे टाइप के हैं, बोले नाम नहीं मिलता, नाम तुम दे देना, काम बता देता हूं. तीसरे टाइप के ऐसे होते हैं अपने छोटे से फायदे के लिए दूसरों का कितना भी नुकसान करने को तैयार हो जाए. चौथा ऐसा होता है खुद का फायदा नहीं होता, दूसरों के नुकसान में जिनका आनंद आता है. किसी के घर में आग लगी, बड़ा मजा आ गया. अरे तुमको कोई फायदा हुआ नहीं, उसके घर में आग लगा, बड़ा मजा आ गया. कोई स्टूडेंट फेल हो गया, बहुत मजा है. तुमको कोई 1% ज्यादा मिला, नहीं वो फेल हो गया, हमको बहुत मजा है. ये चौथे प्रकार के. अपना कोई फायदा और दूसरों के नुकसान में जिनको आनंद आता है. टेके ना जानी में है, नाम नहीं आता. ऐसे 4 प्रकार के मनुष्य की बात भर्ती ने कही है नीति शतकम में. मैंने भी लेटेस्ट रिसर्च किया 5वें प्रकार के, शायद भर्ती के समय में नहीं होंगे. अब उसका नाम मैं नहीं बोल सकता, टेके न जानी में है. चौथे का नाम नहीं जानता, 5वें का नाम कैसे बता दूं? काम बता देता हूं. चौथे ऐसे होते हैं, चौथे प्रकार के, खुद का कोई फायदा है तो दूसरे के नुकसान में जिनका आनंद आता है. 5वें प्रकार के ऐसे होते हैं कि दूसरों के नुकसान में इतना अधिक आनंद आता है कि खुद का नुकसान करके दूसरों का नुकसान करते हैं. इसलिए एरोप्लेन में बैठ गए, बैठ करके वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर टावर से टकरा दिया। मैं भले मरेगा कोई बात नहीं, 5,000 को मार डाला, क्या आनंद आ गया, है कि नहीं? खुद को मार करके दूसरों को मारने वाले। और शंख वाली वार्तालाप कहानी तुमने सुनी होगी, नहीं सुनी? एक आदमी था, अनएम्प्लॉयड था, अनएम्प्लॉयड ग्रेजुएट, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लम, और उसकी पत्नी रोज उसको कोसा करते, क्या कुछ करते नहीं, क्या कुछ करते नहीं हो। इतना परेशान हो गया, घर से भाग गया। पत्नी की आप डांट नहीं सुन सकता, रोज कितना सुनेगा। एक दिन भाग गया, जंगल में गया, एक महात्मा से मुलाकात हुई, महात्मा की सेवा किया। महात्मा प्रसन्न हो, बोल बेटा तुझे क्या चाहिए, ज्ञान का रास्ता बताओ, भक्ति का। बाबा जी ये सब छोड़िए, ज्ञान भक्ति, कुछ जंतर मंतर कीजिए, कुछ चमत्कार कीजिए, कुछ नंबर बता दीजिए, लॉटरी का नंबर कुछ बता दो, चमत्कार चाहिए हमको। ऐसे साधु बाबा नहीं चाहिए जो हमको भगवान की भक्ति बता दें। आजकल डुप्लीकेट साधु बाबा बहुत हुए ना, है ना, बहुत डूबे हैं। कोई मेरे को पूछता है तो डुप्लीकेट साधु इतने सारे कैसे हुए, तो बोला यू डोंट नो द लॉ ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, देयर इज अ लॉ ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, लॉ ऑफ डिमांड एंड सप्लाई। जैसा तुमको डिमांड है ऐसा सप्लाई हो रहा है। तुमको ऐसा साधु हुआ नहीं चाहिए जो तुमको भगवान का रास्ता बताए, तुमको चाहिए जो जंतर मंतर करे, चमत्कार करे, रातों रात डबल करे रुपया। तो डबल करने के लिए दिया, वो डबल करके खुद चला गया क्योंकि ज्यादा बुद्धिमान था। So it is a fight between two frauds. Who is our more intelligent fraud will take away, whatever it is. ये स्वामी जी ने बताया, कितना भी नहीं माना। बोला अच्छा बेटा तूने बहुत किया, जा मैं तुझे मंत्र देता हूँ, ये मंत्र का तू जाप करना, समुद्र देवता प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे। गया समुद्र देवता के पास, समुद्र देवता के पास जाकर मंत्र जाप शुरू किया, समुद्र देवता प्रकट हो गए। मांग ले, हे समुद्र देवता आप तो अंतर्यामी है, ये पत्नी रोज मुझको डांटती रहती है, मुझसे सहन नहीं होता है, कुछ कीजिए। तथास्तु, ले ये सब तुझे देता हूं, इसकी तू पूजा करके जो मांगेगा तुझे तुरंत मिल जाएगा। तो बड़ा खुश हो गया, जाने लगा। पर आगे सुन, तू जो मांगेगा तुझे तुरंत मिलेगा, तेरे पड़ोसी को बिना मांगे दुगुना मिलेगा। जैसा सुना पहु बेहोश हो गया। क्यों? पड़ोसी से रोज झगड़ा होता था। घर में आया, पत्नी बोली कहां गए थे, मैं तो FIR करने जा रही थी, कहां गायब हो गए? बोले ये देखो ऐसा गया था, ये शंख मिला रही। बहुत अच्छा हुआ। अरे पगली आगे तो सुन, हम जो मांगेंगे हमको मिलेगा, पड़ोसी को बिना मांगे दुगना मिलेगा। ये मुझसे सहन नहीं होगा। शंख को फेंक दिया एक कोने में। अब एक दिन पति देवता नौकरी की खोज में गए हैं, पत्नी को नहीं रहा गया, कपड़े सब फट गए हैं, मकान टूटा फूटा है, खाने को कुछ नहीं है। कोना साफ किया, शंख देवता को वहां पर प्रस्थापित करके पूजा शुरू कर दी। शंख देवता प्रकट हो गए। मांग ले। हे शंख देवता आप तो अंतर्यामी, देख लिया कपड़े भी नहीं है, कपड़े सब फट गए हैं, मकान भी फूट गया है, खाने को कुछ नहीं है। तथास्तु। शाम को पति देवता है, रास्ता भटक गया। 2 मकान थे, उसका पड़ोसी, दोनों में से एक भी मकान नहीं दिख रहा। 3 मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग। उसने से देखा तीसरी मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग से ऊपर के मडले से कुछ सुंदर स्त्री बुला रही है, आइए। पास में जाकर देखा खुद की पत्नी, नए कपड़े पहने, पहचान में नहीं आ रही। अरे क्या हो गया? अरे तो ये देखिए आपके बदल थे, ये आप फंस लाए थे ना, देखिए कितने अच्छे मेरे कपड़े आ गए, देखिए कितने अच्छा खाना आ गया, देखिए हमारा मकान कितना अच्छा हो गया। पति देवता ने कहा अरे पगली देख, उधर पड़ोसी के 2 मकान बन गए, तेरा तो एक ही मकान बना। मैं नहीं खाऊंगा। सारी रात रोता रहा, हाय ये मैंने क्या किया, इस शंख लाया मैं और पड़ोसी के 2 मकान बन गए। हाय ये मैंने क्या किया, शंख मैं लाया, पड़ोसी के 2 मकान बन गए, हाय पड़ोसी के 2 मकान बन गए। सारी रात रोता रहा। दूसरे दिन सुबह जैसे हुआ, शंख देवता को वहां प्रस्थापित किया, शंख देवता की पूजा शुरू की। शंख देवता प्रकट हो गए। मांग ले, हे शंख देवता यदि आप मुझ पर प्रसन्न हैं, मेरे मकान के सिर्फ कुआं बना दीजिए। तुरंत उसके मकान से कुआं बन गया। 2 मकान से हम 2 कुआं बने पड़ोसी के। हे शंख देवता यदि आप मुझ प्रसन्न है, मेरी एक आंख फोड़ डाली, उसकी एक आंख फूट गई, पड़ोसी की दोनों आंखें फूट गई, कुएं में पड़ के गिर के मर गया और वो नाचने लग गया। बहुत अच्छा, मजा आ गया। ये है 5वें प्रकार के, खुद की आंख फोड़ करके पड़ोसी को मार डाले, ये 5वें प्रकार के। अभी हमारे समाज में 5वें प्रकार के हैं, है ना? 4थे प्रकार के भी हैं। मानव राक्षस तो बहुत है और सामान्य मनुष्य कम है, और सत्पुरुष माइक्रोस्कोपिक माइक्रोस्कोप से देखना पड़ेगा। दैट इज वाई स्वामी विवेकानंद से व्हाट वी वांट इज मैन मेकिंग एजुकेशन, कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग एजुकेशन, हमें मनुष्य निर्माणकारी शिक्षण चाहिए, शिक्षा चाहिए, राक्षस निर्माणकारी शिक्षा नहीं चाहिए. This is the need of the hour. That is why this seminar has been organized. What is this character building? So, Swami Atma Priyanand has come, he will be giving a good speech, and I am here, I can talk to you later on. We want to give more time, but I will give you just briefly. We mean the character building, what we mean by character building is total personality development for both for man and women. Total personality development. Why I am using total personality development? Because personality development के बहुत सारे courses होते रहते हैं. उसमें क्या बताते हैं मालूम है? रुपया बहुत ज्यादा लेते हैं फीस, और क्या बताते हैं? कैसे हेयर स्टाइल रखना, कैसा मैचिंग ड्रेस करना, कैसा एटिकेट्स, हाउ आर यू, फाइन, हाउ आर यू, फाइन, थैंक यू, ये सब बताते हैं. ज्यादा से ज्यादा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कैसे लेक्चर देना, हो गया खत्म, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट पूरा. नो, स्वामी विवेकानंद सेड what we mean by personality development is total personality development. That means physical development of the personality, शारीरिक विकास, दूसरा भौतिक विकास, दूसरा मानसिक विकास, mental development of the personality, third intellectual development of the personality, fourth moral development of the personality, and fifth spiritual development of the personality. सर्वांगी व्यक्तित्व विकास यदि करना है, चरित्र निर्माण करना है, कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग करना है, तो टोटल पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, physical, mental, intellectual, moral and spiritual. And how this will come? This will come through 5 things: self-confidence, self-reliance, self-knowledge, self-control and self-sacrifice. And remember an equation, TPD, that is total personality development, is equal to IQ plus EQ plus SQ. Can you repeat? TPD is equal to IQ plus EQ plus SQ. What is IQ? Intelligence quotient. You are very intelligent, so you know it. Second is EQ, emotional quotient. Daniel Goleman made a research in 1991 and said EQ is more important than IQ. Just now this Rista and all that, Rista, this is the need of the hour. Executives have to be emotionally proficient. They have to have EQ, otherwise they will not be successful. That is why this CD has been brought out, and I am very happy that this has been brought out, and now more and more importance is being given to the HR department and also to this management of relationships and to EQ. And the latest discovery in modern science is SQ. Dana Zohar, she is a professor in Oxford University. She says neurologically, physiologically, biologically and psychologically, from every point of view, there is concluding evidence, there is something called SQ, which is the basis of both IQ and EQ. And second information that she gives is, there are so many species, all of them have got IQ. Even computers have got IQ, but only a few species have got EQ. But only human beings have got SQ. And that is the special prerogative of a human being. So when we talk about total personality development, when you talk about character building, it is this development of SQ. Without development of SQ, you cannot have a total personality development. You cannot have a character building. This SQ is very important. And Dana Zohar says, unfortunately, ours is a dumb society where we are giving less importance to SQ and more importance to IQ. And we have lost our values and we have lost our moorings and we have lost the aim of our life, lost the purpose of life. There is a Zen story. A horse was galloping at full speed. Somebody asked the person, "Where are you going?" He said, "Ask the horse. Because I am not taking the horse, horse is taking me. I am not leading the life, life is leading me." What is the purpose of life? Have you ever thought? IQ will tell you how to play the game of life. EQ will tell you how to play the game of life under change circumstances with change strategies. And what is SQ? SQ will tell you whether to play the game of life at all or not. That is your choice. What is the purpose of life? What is the meaning of life? Why are we here on this earth? What we want to achieve, so that at the time of death, you don't have regrets. Kabir ने कहा, जब तू आया जगत में, जग हंसे तू रोए, ऐसी करने कर चलो, मरते समय तुम हंसो, जग रोए. That is the purpose of life. Why we are here? That SQ. Without that, our purpose will not be served. Beautiful example is given by the side of the Mexican coast. There was a management consultant from Harvard University, and there was a fisherman sleeping in his boat. It was afternoon. That management consultant said, "Hey, क्या करता है? अभी मछली क्यों नहीं मारता है?" उसने सोते सोते कहा, "बाबूजी, बात ये ऐसी है, सुबह सुबह में मुझे बहुत बड़ी मछली मिल गई, तो उसको मैंने बेचा तो बहुत पैसा आ गया, तो मेरा आज का पैसा कमाने का कोटा पूरा हो गया, अभी मैं आराम फरमा रहा हूं। इसमें कोई कोटा सिस्टम होता है रे? अभी और मछली मार तो और पैसे मिलेगा। पैसे का करूंगा क्या? क्यों? डिपॉजिट करना। डिपॉजिट शब्द ही नहीं सुना था उसने। डिपॉजिट, हाँ, बैंक में अकाउंट खोलना, जनधन योजना खोलो, बैंक अकाउंट करना, वहां डिपॉजिट करना, फिर डिपॉजिट करते जाना, फिर जब ज्यादा डिपॉजिट होगा दूसरी नाव लेना, दूसरी नाव लेगी तो और मछली मिलेगी तो और पैसे मिले, तो वो पैसा का क्या करूंगा? फिर डिपॉजिट करना। ऐसा करते करते बहुत सारी नौका हो जाएगी। यू विल बिकम CEO ऑफ ए मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी। देन you move your headquarters from Mexico to New York and have a global company, multinational company, and earn money, earn money, earn money. Then what happens? Because you'll have to go all over the world, you'll become CEO, naturally you'll have blood pressure, you'll have bypass surgery. When there are 3 bypass surgeries and doctor says no more, then you come back to me, retire, sell back all the companies and bring all the money to me. I am an investment expert from Harvard University. I will tell you how to invest the money, and when you invest like that, every month you will get fixed income, और हर महीना तुमको फिक्स इनकम आएगा और तू आराम से सो सकेगा। अरे भैया, मैं आराम से सोया था, तू नहीं मुझे जगाया। आराम से सोने के लिए इतना लंबा चक्कर। Dana Zohar says, this fisherman has got low IQ. He doesn't know how to make money. This Harvard University professor knows how to make money. He has got high IQ. But this fisherman has got high SQ. He knows the purpose of life is to have happiness and peace. And this Harvard University professor has lost his money. He doesn't know. He has low SQ. He doesn't know the purpose of life is not to earn money by wasting your health, not to earn wealth by wasting your health, and then to get back your health by wasting your wealth. That is not SQ. So this SQ is very important. IQ plus EQ plus SQ is equal to TPD, Total Personality Development. And how to develop SQ? Just one paragraph from Swami Vivekananda. That's all. I'll finish with that. Very important paragraph. Swami Vivekananda says in his book on Raj Yoga, the whole gist of Vedanta he gives. He says, each soul is potentially divine. The goal of human life is to manifest this divinity within by controlling nature, external and internal. Do this either by work or worship or psychic control or philosophy, by one or more or all of these, and be free. This is the whole of religion. Dogmas, rituals, worship, temples, churches, mosques are but secondary details. प्रत्येक मनुष्य के भीतर में दिव्य आत्मा विराजमान है। मनुष्य जीवन का लक्ष्य अंतर्निहित दिव्यता का अभिव्यक्त करना। कैसे? राजयोग, भक्ति योग, ज्ञान योग, कर्म योग। राजयोग ध्यान, भक्ति योग प्रार्थना, ज्ञान योग अच्छी अच्छी किताब इंस्पिरेशनल रीडिंग करके उस पर चिंतन करना, और कर्म योग निस्वार्थ सेवा। इस चारों को मिला दो अपने डेली लाइफ में। ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस दिस 4 योगाज इन डेली लाइफ। लिटिल बिट ऑफ मेडिटेशन, लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रेयर, little bit of inspirational reading, and also try to do work in the spirit of worship, and you will find the awakening of the Kundalini, the awakening of the inner divinity. And the more you awaken, the more you go towards the goal. Once you fully awaken, manifest the divinity, get infinite knowledge, infinite bliss, infinite happiness. That is the purpose of human life. So I pray at the feet of Swami Vivekananda. May he shower his blessings on all of us. May we be able to read his books, and after getting his knowledge, may we be able to develop our total personality, physical, mental, intellectual, moral and spiritual, through IQ, EQ and SQ, and manifest the divinity by practicing these 4 yogas. May he give us strength. And I once again thank Dr. Parmar and his team for inviting me, and I am very happy that Swami Atmapriyanand is there. We will be we are eagerly looking forward to his lecture. I am very thankful to all of you for giving a very patient hearing. Thank you very much. All of you are welcome to visit Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Memorial, just opposite Circuit House, There is a bungalow called Dilaram Bungalow. Now it has been converted to Ramkrishna Mission Vivekananda Memorial. Sri Narendra Modi himself came on 18th April 2005 and handed over this bungalow because Swami Vivekananda himself stayed in that bungalow. And the place where he stayed has been converted to meditation room. There is a big public library. There are so many other things. You are always welcome to visit this place. There are only few places in the whole world sanctified by Swami Vivekananda. So we will be very happy to welcome you there in Ramkrishna Mission Vivekananda Memorial, just near railway station, opposite Circus House. Thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji, for your inspiring thoughts. It really ignited us all and set the tone for this occasion. Great things are accomplished by talented people who believe they'll accomplish them. On this note, I would like to invite Sri Swami Atmapriyanandaji Maharaj, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Vivekananda University, Belur Math, Howrah.